If you think your hair is not growing or you are experiencing excessive shedding, excessive breakage, you have bald spots, your edges are all gone, or your strands are really weak, or it may be that your scalp is just not healthy, you're having dandruff, you're having itchy scalp, please do well to do exactly what I am doing in this video. This is a hibiscus herbal spray. Yes, and in this video I will be teaching you how to make this. Yes, and I'll also be showing you exactly how to use it so that your hair problems will be solved. Hibiscus is one popular herb used by so many. It is consumed. Yes, a lot of people drink hibiscus. Here in Nigeria we call it zobo. I love this drink zobo. It is amazing, and you can also apply it on your hair and your scalp for any form of hair growth treatment, and it works so much. This is one of my favorite herb for hair growth. So stick around while I show you how I make this. I will be telling you because obviously I've already made mine already. So I'll tell you the measurement and how to go about everything, and also in the course of the video I will be telling you the right way you should use this for massive hair growth. Please don't mind how my hair is looking. My hair is more than a month. Yes, it's close to 2 months old. Yes. So guys, if you want to make this spray, you will have to make a small quantity if you are not putting it in a fridge, or if you're not putting preservative. I will always advise that you make a little quantity. I myself, I do not really like putting all these herbal sprays in the freezer. I don't just like it. Yes, I prefer making a very little quantity that I'll be using for just that particular day. But if you do not have the strength to always make it when you want to use it, then you can make and keep in your fridge. And but it is not advisable that you keep this in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. No, please. No, 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 no. So just do well to follow the instructions I will be giving right now. So first things first, get your hibiscus flower. Yes, just about 5 big size is enough. Yes, 5 big size is enough, just like what you're seeing on the screen. This size is perfect. So guys, 5 of it, and then in a clean pot you're going to add in this hibiscus dried flower into your pot, a clean pot. Then you go in with 1.5 cup of water. Yes, 1.5 cup of water is just enough. Yes, after this you will allow it to boil. Allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, all the goodness of the hibiscus will go into the water. Yes, that is the spray that you will be using. Yes, you can go ahead to add in any other favorite herb of yours. Yes, you can go ahead to add in any other favorite herb of yours. Me, I usually add rosemary because it's really strong for hair growth. So I just put about half a tablespoon of rosemary. It is not a must. Yes, if you don't have rosemary, it is totally okay. So guys, you will just allow it boil like I said earlier for about 5 to 10 minutes. Allow cool down, and then you sieve it. Save it into your spray bottle, and then you can make use of it. So like you saw in the video, like what is showing on the screen, I sprayed my hair and my scalp first. Yes, please do well to make sure that it goes round to your scalp and your hair, and make sure that your hair is damp, not soaking wet. Let it not be dripping water, not at all, not at all. Then after you've applied it, you're not going to leave the hibiscus water just like that. No, you have to seal in moisture so that your hair doesn't get dried at all. Then I went in with my leave-in conditioner. That's the second thing you should do. Please apply a leave-in conditioner to your hair strands only, not to your scalp. Yes, and then the next thing you will do is to seal in moisture. So exactly this is what I'm doing right now. I am sealing in moisture with a hair butter. Yes, this is the third step. Please follow this step by step, exactly how I am telling you. Yes, and then the last thing I will be doing is to oil my scalp. Yes, I'll oil my scalp with my hair growth oil. Yes, if you do not use oils, you can use serum. It is really, really important. Yes, like I said earlier, you cannot apply that spray on your hair and not moisturize your hair. This is the process of moisturizing your hair. If you've watched my videos before, for any ayurvedic hairspray I make, anything that is water based, I must moisturize my hair. Because if you apply just water or any water based product on your hair, if you just leave it for a moment, you observe that your hair is becoming dry. So you have to moisturize. So like I said, the first step is to spray, right? Second step, your leave-in conditioner, right? Third step, your hair butter to seal in moisture. Then the fourth step is to apply your hair oil or your hair serum. Hair oil or hair serum, whichever one. Please don't mind how my oil is looking. As you can see, there is rosemary inside. I didn't remove the rosemary leaf, and that is what is busy patching on my hair. I will take it out once I'm done with this video. Yes, I will just remove the rosemary leaf from my hair. So guys, yes, this is the second to the last step. The last step is for you to massage your scalp properly. Yes, I always tell people massage your scalp for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and they're like, oh, that's a long time. It is not a long time for you to massage your scalp. That is actually an appropriate time, like it's the right time, like 5 minutes. I usually massage my scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. I don't skip this at all. At all. Please, you cannot do all these things. You cannot apply oil on your scalp and not massage it. No, now it would be like you pouring ingredients into your soup and not stirring it. Yes, so please, that is it for today. If you have questions, please do well to ask me. Ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. This is how to use hibiscus hair growth spray for massive hair growth. Thank you for watching. Bye.